I wouldn't want to lie to you and say it's easy for girls. It's going to be harder. They expect more from you.
Kumari, I go harder than anybody. Daughter of the king, American dream. Fit be dil mein Hindustani.
Hi, I'm Raja Kumari, and you're watching The Girl Club of Bollywood. I was in Los Angeles, and I was making my music, but I felt like, the audience didn't quite understand what I was doing. And in the beginning, a lot of my work pulls off of Indian culture, whether my song Meera or, talking about, Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu was in the first album. So it was too much explaining, when I was in America. And the first time I came to India, I felt so welcomed, so understood, so much opportunity, so much life. And I just fell in love with Mumbai in so many ways. Sexism is prevalent in every part of every industry, I think. That's part of the challenge of being a strong woman in a male-dominated arena. But it's also a gift in its own way, because if you can kind of harness that power, you can make yourself very different than everyone around you and unique. Make your music so interesting and good that they can't do it without you. Fashion is really just a representation of me trying to make sense of the two worlds that I come from, I'm Western and Eastern at the same time, though I do prefer the East. I think there's more beauty. Do I miss Indian clothes in Indian films? Yes, 100%. Is that why I put them in my music videos? Yes, because it's like, if what I love isn't available in the market, I'm just gonna make it, That's kind of how I am. Sanjay Leela Bansali is like, he's God. He's the only one that kind of still gives us the culture. I think going back to the roots, going back to our fabrics, going back to our traditional jewelry, going back to all those things is really where the beauty lies.
It's the bindis and the bangles. We light it up like a candle.
For me, the bindi is a connection to my culture, but it's also this activation of your third eye, every day. When you put a bindi on, you can't forget what you're doing. You are literally touching your third eye. So it's this practice of trying to see the world spiritually. To all those young girls that are practicing rap in their hood, in their homes, I would tell you to work on your craft. It's very difficult, out here. And I wouldn't want to lie to you and say it's easy for girls. It's going to be harder. They expect more from you. You have to be better. You have to be faster. You have to be, smarter. So work. Don't stop. Keep writing. Write constantly. Hey, I'm Raja Kumari, and run and tell your mommy. The streets go rap-a-bum-bum, rap-a-bum-bum, rap-a-bum-bum. It's coming from the gully. It's coming from the city slums, city slums, city slums. If you like this video, please like, share, comment, subscribe to Hauterfly. I'm Raja Kumari. Bye.